Welcome back to Tech Tutors. Managing user access in Pega may seem complex, but with the right steps, it's simpler than you think. Let's get started. First, let's understand what access groups are and why they're important. Access groups control what users can access, like application versions, roles, portals, and tasks. They make sure users have the right permissions to do their job. When creating an access group, use a simple name format like application name of job description. For example, you could name a group for auditors in the purchasing app Purchasing Auditors. To create a distinct access group, identify what makes it unique. Decide on the application, version, portals, roles, and case types it will use. And remember, keep the number of access groups small to optimize system performance. A key feature of access groups is enabling users to switch between application versions. Each access group links to one application and version. If a user needs access to more than one version, create a new access group and add it to their operator ID. They can then switch between access groups using the operator menu. In Dev Studio, users can also switch access groups from the application menu. If you want all users to move to a new version, just update the version in the Access Groups Definition tab. No need to create a new access group. Now, let's look at how access groups decide which application and version users can use. Go to the Definition tab of the access group and enter the application name and version. This setup ensures users can access the right rules and features to do their work efficiently. Let's move on to portals, which are the screens users interact with. Portals like Case Manager or Caseworker define the user interface. To set up portals, go to the Definition tab of the Access group. Add the portals you want to make available and mark one as the default. If there are multiple portals, users can access the others through the operator menu. Make sure the portals match the roles of the group for the best experience. Now, let's focus on access roles and how they manage user permissions. To add roles, go to the Definition tab of the Access group and list them in the Available Roles section. If a group has more than one role, Pega will apply the most flexible permissions across all of them. This ensures users have the access they need without compromising control. Next, let's discuss how access groups determine what kinds of cases users can create. In the Advanced tab, add work pools. A work pool is a set of case types that users in the group can create. For example, if a support team access group includes the customer complaint work pool, users in that group can create complaint cases. If it's not included, they can't. This setup ensures users work only on the cases relevant to their roles. Creating an access group in Pega is a straightforward process, and here's how you can do it. Start by logging into Dev Studio. From there, navigate to Record's Security Access Group and click Create to begin. You'll need to fill in the required fields. First, enter a label, such as a manager's, to name the access group. Provide a short description to briefly describe its purpose. Next, select the application name and the version of the application that the group will access. Once you've entered this basic information, move to the Definition tab. Here, you'll add portals to the Available Portals section and designate one as the default for the group. Next, assign roles to the Available Roles section to determine what permissions users in this group will have. Finally, switch to the Advanced tab. In this section, define work pools to specify the types of cases that users in the access group can access. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click Save to finalize the creation of the access group. That's how you create an access group in Pega. Thanks for watching. Managing access groups in Pega is easy with these steps. Stay tuned for more Pega tutorials.